know, if you're tired,
You gotta get through.
going to sleep on the job, you know. Y'all gotta excuse me because I'm bow-legged and my knees hurt. Hey, don't get out here and sleep on the job, man. You know, if you gotta come back to the compound and everything, you should have napped in. Do what you gotta do to stay safe, you know. But I gotta go back to the house and take some trash out. If there isn't anything else.
And safe
No.
today.
You gotta get that walk right off.